let's see how to resize a logo in Canva. And for your information, why do people resize their logos in Canva? It's because the versatility across platforms, making logos more suitable for websites, social media profiles, presentations, and even on print materials. Also, maintaining its quality that ensures the logo appears crisp and clear regardless of size or the placement. So, adjusting sizes for business cards, merchandise, watermarks, and etc., optimizing for different uses. So, you just have to follow these steps for you to able to resize your logo on Canva. So first, you have an option here at the top left corner of your Canva, which is the resize. You just have to click it, and you have two options whether you search your size options or by customizing it. Like for example, I wanted to do this in a real type logo size. So I just have to click it, and after finalizing, you just have to click the resize this design button. It already resize the logo you wanted to resize. For example, I wanted to resize this again into a 1x1 or some square type. So I just have to click the resize button again and click the logo and just apply the same process. Clicking the resize button again and just simply wait, it's all here. And that's how you resize logo in Canva. See you soon!